So here's a little tutorial on how to make some different squashes. This is butternut squash and this is spaghetti squash. I preheated the oven to 400 degrees and I added some water in the pan, a little bit of water inside the butternut squash. All I did was cut the squash in half and scoop out the insides. It looks kind of like a pumpkin. And then with the spaghetti squash, I cooked it upside down that way for an hour and took it out, and they're both done. This one's a little overdone, but that's okay. With the butternut squash, you can eat it as is, just scoop it out. It's a great little snack or side for my toddler. Or I also like to make this into like a pureed food, which is great for smaller babies, or even my toddler still likes it. And it's great because I just pour it into a, what is this called? An ice tray. And, well, obviously you can't pour this straight into the ice tray, but you just scoop out the insides, put it into your food processor, add a little bit of water until you get it to the consistency you like. Pour it into your ice cube tray, put a little bit of plastic wrap over that, pop it into your freezer. When it's frozen, just dump it into a gallon bag and you're good to go. I pop out like maybe 4 at a time and in the microwave or on the stove top, and you got a pureed. Spaghetti squash is really cool. I'm going to show you how to do this one right now. Let's see if I can do it one-handed here or find a way to set this up. There we go. There's the spaghetti squash. Now you're going to see why it's called spaghetti squash. Because it's squash, but it will soon turn into a spaghetti-like consistency. As you scrape it, you can see that it's kind of making like noodle-like substance. So if you're gluten-free, or if you just like squash, you want a different side dish for a change, this is like the easiest thing. Look how easy that came out. Like, it's completely empty. And here's a close-up of the spaghetti squash. It looks like stringy noodles. So enjoy!